The story of TikTok founder Zheng Yiming, long biography. Zheng Yiming is one of the most influential technology entrepreneurs of the 21st century. He is the founder of ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, one of the most downloaded apps in history. From a small city in China to becoming one of the richest people in Asia, his journey is a masterclass in technology, vision, persistence, and innovation. Chapter 1. A Boy from Fuzhou. Zheng Yiming was born on 1st April 1983 in Longjia, Fuzhou Province, China. His parents worked in government-related jobs. Unlike many future billionaires, Zheng was not known as a child prodigy. He was curious, observant, and loved reading books and exploring how systems worked. China during the 1980s and 1990s was changing rapidly. Economic reforms were creating opportunities that previous generations never had. Growing up in this environment shaped Zheng's thinking. He learned that change creates opportunity. While many students focused only on grades, Zheng became fascinated with technology and problem solving. Chapter 2. University years. After school, Zheng joined Nankai University. Initially, he studied microelectronics but later switched to software engineering. This decision would change his life forever. During college, he learned programming, software architecture, data systems, internet technologies. More importantly, he learned how technology could solve large-scale problems. Many people study software. Few imagine changing how billions of people consume information. Zheng was one of those few. Chapter 3. First Jobs and Startup Exposure. After graduating in 2005, Zheng deliberately avoided large traditional corporations. Instead, he joined startups where he could learn faster. He worked at Cookshun, travel search company, Microsoft, briefly, several growing internet startups. Microsoft offered prestige, but Zheng felt innovation moved too slowly there. He preferred startup environments where decisions were fast. Experimentation was encouraged. Engineers had influence. This mindset became a key part of his future leadership style. Chapter 4. Learning the Internet Game. At Cookshun, Zheng learned a critical lesson. Data is more powerful than opinions. Most companies decided what users wanted. Zheng believed companies should discover what users wanted through data. This simple belief eventually led to TikTok's famous recommendation algorithm. Years before TikTok existed, Zheng was already thinking differently. Chapter 5. Becoming an Entrepreneur. In 2009, Zheng co-founded a real estate search platform called 99fang.com. The company achieved reasonable success. But Zheng wasn't satisfied. He noticed something interesting. People were overwhelmed by information online. Millions of articles existed. But users struggled to find the content they actually cared about. This observation became the seed of a much bigger idea. Chapter 6. The Birth of ByteDance. In 2012, Zheng Yiming and his team rented a small apartment in Beijing and started building a company called ByteDance. Most startups at the time focused on social networking, e-commerce, search engines. Zheng chose a different path. He wanted to build an AI-powered recommendation engine. His idea was simple. Instead of users searching for content, content should find users. At the time, this idea sounded strange. Today, it powers much of the internet. Chapter 7. Toutiao changes everything. ByteDance's first major success was Toutiao. Traditional news apps showed the same headlines to everyone. Toutiao did something revolutionary. It used algorithms to personalize content. Every user saw a unique feed. The more you used the app, the smarter it became. Many experts doubted users would trust algorithms. Users loved it. Growth exploded. Chapter 8: The Algorithm Advantage. Most companies focused on content creation. Jung focused on content distribution. This difference made ByteDance unique. The company's recommendation system analyzed watch time, clicks, likes, shares, comments, viewing patterns. The algorithm continuously learned. Every swipe improved recommendations. This technology later became TikTok's greatest weapon. Chapter 9: Building a Culture of Excellence. Jung demanded extremely high standards. Employees often described him as analytical, quiet, rational, detail-oriented. He believed great products came from deep thinking, data-driven decisions, constant experimentation. Unlike celebrity CEOs, Jung rarely sought attention. He preferred building products. Chapter 10: The Global Dream. Many Chinese internet companies focused only on China. Jung thought globally from day one. He famously argued that China represented only a fraction of internet users worldwide and that global expansion was essential. This vision distinguished ByteDance from competitors. Chapter 11: The Birth of Douyin. In 2016, ByteDance launched Douyin. The app allowed users to create short videos enhanced with music, filters, and editing tools. Users became addicted. Growth was extraordinary. Within a short period, millions joined the platform. The team realized they had something special. Chapter 12: TikTok Goes Global. ByteDance launched TikTok internationally in 2017. The timing was perfect. Smartphones were everywhere. Mobile internet was fast. People wanted entertainment in small doses. TikTok delivered exactly that. Chapter 13: The Billion-Dollar Acquisition. In 2017, ByteDance acquired Musical.ly for nearly $1 billion and later merged it with TikTok. This move accelerated TikTok's growth dramatically. Instead of building a user base from scratch, ByteDance inherited millions of active users. It became one of the smartest acquisitions in tech history. Chapter 14: Explosive Growth. TikTok spread rapidly across United States, Europe, India, Southeast Asia, Latin America. Creators joined first, then celebrities, then brands, then governments started paying attention. The app became a cultural phenomenon. Chapter 15: Why TikTok Won. TikTok succeeded because of three things. 1. Better discovery. Anyone could go viral. 2. Better algorithm. Recommendations felt magical. 3. Better engagement. Short videos reduced friction. The result? Users spent hours watching content. Chapter 16: Becoming a Billionaire. As ByteDance grew, Jung's wealth skyrocketed. Investors valued ByteDance among the world's most valuable private technology companies. His net worth rose into tens of billions of dollars. Eventually he became China's richest person. One of Asia's richest people. One of the wealthiest technology founders globally. Dash. Chapter 17, Leadership Philosophy. Jung often emphasized long-term thinking, curiosity, learning, rational decision-making. He believed talent alone wasn't enough. Systems and execution mattered more. Dash. Chapter 18, Stepping Down as CEO. In 2021, Jung surprised the tech world by stepping down as CEO of ByteDance. Most founders cling to power. Jung chose a different path. He explained that he preferred innovation and strategy over daily management. This decision reflected his personality. Quiet, analytical, focused on building. Dash. Chapter 19, The TikTok Controversies. Success brought challenges. TikTok faced scrutiny in several countries over data privacy, national security, content moderation. Governments debated regulations and restrictions. Despite these challenges, TikTok continued growing. Dash. Chapter 20, The AI Future. After stepping down, Jung focused increasingly on artificial intelligence and long-term technology investments. ByteDance invested heavily in AI models, recommendation systems, machine learning, future computing technologies. Many analysts believe AI could become ByteDance's next major growth engine. Dash. Lessons entrepreneurs can learn from Jung Yiming. Lesson 1. Think globally. Don't limit your ambitions to your local market. Lesson 2. Follow data. Data often beats assumptions. Lesson 3. Focus on distribution. Great products fail if people cannot discover them. Lesson 4. Move early. ByteDance entered short video before many competitors recognized the opportunity. Lesson 5. Keep learning. Jung remained a student of technology even after becoming a billionaire. Lesson 6. Stay humble. He avoided unnecessary publicity and focused on product quality. Dash. Final thoughts. The story of Jung Yiming is not just about becoming rich. It is about seeing a future others missed. While many companies tried to create content, Jung built systems that helped people discover content. That single insight created ByteDance. TikTok. One of the world's most powerful recommendation algorithms. A fortune worth tens of billions of dollars. A company influencing billions of users globally. His journey proves that sometimes the biggest opportunities come not from creating something entirely new, but from solving an old problem in a better way.